Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this easy SpotLight eye makeup look for you. The palette I'm using today is by Too Faced and it's the Just Peachy Mattes palette, and I'm taking the shade Just Peachy. This colour is going to be applied in the crease, so I'm taking a fluffy blending brush to blend this out with. Next, taking the shade Peach Punch, and I'm applying this all over the lid, and I'm just using a flat shader brush. And I'm going all the way up to the crease with this. I'm also going to take a pencil brush as well and run this along the lower lash line. Then here I'm just applying a little highlight in the corner of the eyes. This is the NYX glitter primer, and I'm applying this in the centre of the lid. This gives a sticky base, so it will help our loose glitter to stick to. And the loose glitter I'm using is by Barium and it's called Angel Wings. And I'm just patting this all over where we applied the primer. And also in the centre of the bottom lower lash line as well. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. And the mascara I'm using is by L'Oreal and it's called Mega Volume Hippie. And this is the final look with just mascara, and now this is with lashes. I used the Ardell Demi Wispies for this. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!